Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've been on the channel, but just thought I'd take you guys out with me today. Built the Grinderino, and God, it's been a long time since I built a quad, but Grinderino looked like a good one to build. I don't have an action camera on here yet. I'm probably going to do something. I don't know if it's going to be like the Insta 360, that little thing, or what, but I'll do something on there. Just finished the build. Got the God motors, right? Looks pretty nice. It's 250 grams, something like that. I haven't test flown it yet. This will be my very first flight. Walk snail. And I'm running Immersion RC Ghost, so not ELRS. I haven't been flying a lot of quads lately, and I haven't converted anything over, but I have that option, right? Because all these IRC ADO receivers, I can put ELRS firmware on them, but I haven't made that choice yet. Again, I haven't been flying a lot. I want to get back into it. Anyway, walk snail, Ghost, Grinderino. Alright, so I'm super rusty. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. I got no OSD. I know what's going on there. I guess what I'm saying is I'm not sure what's going on is because I don't know why I'm so rusty. I mean, it's like riding a bike, right? You should be able to just put a battery back on a quad and fly. Good to go. For some reason, it doesn't seem to be the case. In my case, that doesn't seem to be the case. It is fun. I got to get the OSD set up on here again. I thought I had the SpeedDB app working, but I don't. I don't have this quad logged in or something. I don't know, something. Because I've got a SpeedDB flight controller, so I know I can do it. I just got to do it. I'm out here. I'm gonna fly. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna try and keep my balance leads from getting chopped in the props. Go like that. I do like the grip, man. You could fly without a battery strap, I'm guessing, because that stuff sticks. But anyway, let's put it back up in the air, and then we'll take a look at the footage when I get home, and we'll talk more. I don't know if I got footage. I don't know if I'm getting footage, because I don't know if it's recording.